Welcome to the channel Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 8th of February. And first of all, national news. Rajasthan planned zoo for dolphins, rhinos inside Bharatpur sanctuary. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin requested PM to grant extra attempt to civil service aspirants. Budget has something for all sections of society, PM Modi. India looked at options to pay defense dues to Russia, stake sale bonds, third currency. Supreme Court dismissed plea challenging Victoria Gauri's appointment as Madras High Court judge. Will give appropriate response to any aggression, Army commander on LAC situation. National Disaster Response Force on 4th International Mission in Turkey. Land degradation, blue economy, circular economy, focal areas under India's G20 presidency, Bhupendra Yadav. New National Committee to form cooperation policy, Amit Shah. And now some international news. Turkey president declared state of emergency in earthquake-hit provinces. Around 23 million may be affected by earthquake in Turkey, Syria, WHO. 20 ISIS terrorists escaped after earthquake damaged Syria prison. Attempt to spy on US anticipated from China, Biden on balloon incident. Wikipedia back online in Pakistan days after blasphemy ban. No intention to return spy balloon debris to China, US. UAE pledged $13 million in aid to quake-hit Syria. 3.8 magnitude earthquake rattles US New York. Now some sports news. Women's Premier League player auction list date announced, 409 cricketers to go under the hammer. Mohammad Siraz Shubman Gill nominated for ICC Player of the Month award. India vs Australia, both Shubman Gill, KL Rahul in as Wasim Jaffer picked host Z for first test. Cristiano Ronaldo's presence making things difficult. Al Nassr teammate Luis Gustavo. Sania and partner Bethany crashed out of Abu Dhabi Open in first round. Now news related to business. Sensex Nifty closed lower for second straight day. Rupee gained 6 paise to close at 82.70 against US dollar. Rupees 859 crore of illegal loan app operators seized, Union Minister. Adani Green's December quarter profit more than doubles on strong demand. Ambuja Cements December quarter profit rose on higher demand. No proposal to increase amount under PM Kisan Center. Elevated policy rate limits need for further rates hike by RBI S&P. Petrol mixed with 20% ethanol rolled out for sale in 11 states. News from Science and Technology. After Google, China's Baidu to launch ChatGPT style bot in March. After SSLV D1 launch failure, ISRO made structural and logic changes to ensure success of SSLV D2. Astronomers found a planet exactly Earth size, just 72 light years away. And that's all in news. Thank you.